Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Gallery app. Now hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. Following that, you can click on all of them, or just select all at the top right corner of your section and click on Remove at the bottom right corner. Finally, tap on Remove in the pop-up to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!